Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to talk about the second Thomas Stevens Etude in the back of the stamp book. In this video I'm going to provide a little context how I use this etude, and at the end I will perform the etude. Most of us trumpet players are very familiar with the James Stamp Warm-Up Studies book. Many great players play from this warm-up and method book. I've noticed that these exercises have spread around to other brass colleagues that I work with. It always catches me by surprise when I hear a trombone player or a horn player playing through these exercises. These exercises are great for all brass players. In the back of the stamp book, Thomas Stevens leaves us 3 etudes that he wrote as the editor for the stamp book and as a former student of Jimmy Stamp. These etudes are something that I've been playing through for years, as I think these etudes complement all the concepts that we learned from Jimmy Stamp. This idea of forward motion, efficiency, consistent energy at the note changes, a constant supply of uninterrupted air that is always supported, these are all Stamp-isms. And I take those concepts to these etudes. In an earlier video from a few years ago, I performed the first etude, if you're interested. I recently did a video where I talked about my daily warm-up and fundamental routine. These etudes in the back of the stamp book are some of my go-tos in the flow part of my routine. Feel free to check that video out. On this particular etude, I'm using some of the same stamp concepts that I mentioned earlier. I'm a little more free with my time on this one, as my focus is more on the forward motion and seamless transition from note to note. I breathe wherever, as I want to keep a constant supply of air going so as to not play on that last little bit, mainly because you'll tire quickly if you do that, especially at the early stages of a warm-up. Additionally, I take lots of rest at the cadence points of this etude. I find that frequent rest reinforce good habits. Using the concept to practice to not get tired, at least that's my approach on these etudes. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. And now here's the second Tom Stevens Etude in the back of the stamp book. Thanks again.